Hello Odooers, I hope you all are doing great. So today in this video we are going to learn about how to use one Odoo free app with multiple other apps with unlimited user access. So for that we can set up any apps whatever based on our business use cases. So if we can go to odoo.com, and you can see here lots of apps based on our business, based on our usage we can set up, right, as you can see here. So for that we can just select the app based on our usage. So here if we go with the e-commerce, then it will allow us to use multiple other apps also, like e-commerce is free with unlimited users forever, and also it will include websites, right? And if you add other apps then it will chargeable, but e-commerce is the best option to just set up online selling platform. And you just click on that and you can see here the form come up, and here you just need to fill the name, website name and other details. So we are setting up computer shop. So here you can see this is the domain, subdomain, but if you have any custom domain, then also later you can change, right? So just fill this information and then just click on the start now button, and it will start the website designing your Odoo database activation. It will take a bit time, but it will just set up everything. You will also get one activation email to click on that and your database will activated. So you can see here it's already activated, and here if you want to pass with this process, then you just need to fill some details, color, theme options, and it will set up. Otherwise you can do later also, but here I just select something like online store, business as a computer shop, right? And objective to get leads, let's say. Here we have color palette, lots of options, and we can set up the logo also. So here I just select any color, and here you can see there are lots of predefined web pages that will automatically design with the selected color and theme. I just select about us and build my website, and here you can see there are lots of website shop options, page options. So I just select the first one, and here also the product detail page. So you can select any one. I just select first one, and here you can see then the theme are loading. In Odoo we have lots of free stylish theme based on the different business cases. So here I just select any one from this, like the first one, and it's building based on selected theme and color, etc. It will take a bit time, but also you can set up this theme, color and customization later your database activation. You can just add any web pages, you can do anything, any changes. You can add any building blocks, which are already lots of features available in Odoo. You just select what feature, what looks you want, and you just drag and drop and it will work. Here you can see our website theme installed, and you can see the backend with this app settings, right? Here are the apps, and if we go to settings and activate the developer mode to design the website, right? And you can see here invoicing websites, right? These apps. Here the main purpose is to use other apps also with free options like invoicing, website, e-commerce, sales, right? With this e-commerce option you will get lot of other benefits. You can see the invoicing. We can create invoicing, manage payments. And if we go to website, then you can see here this web pages, orders, etc. This is sales order that it's creating from front end side. Also you can create back end side. This is normally sales application. We can also create the custom menu to manage sales as a separated app, customers and all other orders, invoicing, right? And here you can see the different menu for the website. And then if we go to website, and here you can see the edit option to change anything, design, colors, text, etc. So maybe it's need to refresh page. Okay, you can see now this edit option with lot of other option to change this theme, also colors, etc. Here we have building blocks. Let's say this latest product snippet. You can see here we can select this snippet to display latest products with stylish design. Also you can see here you can change anything on footer or any other text. Let's say on header side you can change any layout, right? So this is how we can change anything. We can create new web page, etc., right? So this is how Odoo very easily useful without a need of like developer. You can do anything easily, right? This is like orders. And we can just activate the sales menu to use sales application. It's separated app. Maybe there is a menu archived. Maybe if we unarchive, then it will work. Let's say if I refresh the page, you can see here sales, and this is separate app also. As a sales, we can manage sales. So you can see how this one app use with like multiple apps, right?